So you might be in this really weird situation. For some reason, your magic mouse is just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, this can mean a couple of things. One, maybe your mouse isn't turning on or it's not connecting to your device at all. The first thing that I would recommend doing is making sure that your magic mouse is even turned on. So if you look on the back side of your magic mouse, you'll see this little circle right up here. Then there's this little indent that comes up. It says like a little switch, right? You want to make sure this switch is a green little light that comes up. If this is like this, if it's silver, you don't see any green, that means your magic mouse is off. So the first thing you want to do is you want to just go ahead and just turn on your magic mouse like this. Now it's on. The other thing is you want to make sure your magic mouse is actually properly charged up. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and find a USB cable that you have somewhere laying around. If you have a magic mouse that takes USB-C or Lightning or whatever magic mouse you have, even if it takes a battery, just make sure it has power inside of it. So go ahead, make sure you plug in your particular magic mouse to a charger or anything like that, just to make sure it's charged up. A lot of the times if you're running into this issue, it's probably something to do with this, so just kind of keep that in mind. Now number two, if that's still not working, you may just want to go ahead and actually grab a USB-C cable of some sort and actually plug it into your actual PC or device that you're trying to use a magic mouse with. Like I said before, this is a very, very common issue. If you're having these types of problems, the big thing you're going to want to do is just plug in your USB-C cable or your device to this cable like this to your magic mouse. And that's another very big thing I'd recommend doing here too. And that could very well end up fixing the problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.